This video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. If packing for a trip feels like a stressful puzzle, the right tools can make it much more manageable. These 15 helpful finds can organize clothing and toiletries, protect shoes and jewelry, reduce suitcase bulk, prevent forgotten necessities, and simplify the trip from packing day through the return home. Let's begin with organization, compression, and weight control. The basics that help you fit more into your luggage, keep small items together, and avoid surprises at the baggage counter. First are Aerotrunk compression packing cubes. They organize outfits, separate clothing categories, and compress bulky items so more fits inside the suitcase, while the different sizes make everything easier to find. A hanging toiletry bag gives makeup, brushes, travel-size bottles, and other bathroom items one organized place. Once you arrive, the hanging design keeps everything visible and within easy reach. A compact digital luggage scale lets you check suitcase weight before reaching the airport. Bring it along to weigh the bag again after adding souvenirs or vacation purchases for the trip home. An electronics organizer keeps charging cables, adapters, earbuds, memory cards, and small tech accessories together in one easy-to-find case. Built-in compartments reduce tangled cords and help prevent important chargers from being left behind. Next are simple ways to separate shoes, protect jewelry, smooth wrinkled clothing, and contain toiletries without adding unnecessary clutter. Waterproof travel shoe bags separate footwear from clean clothing while containing dirt, sand, and moisture. The drawstring design also keeps each pair together, making packing and unpacking more organized. A travel jewelry roll protects necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, and watches while keeping each piece separated. The compact roll-up design helps prevent tangles without taking up much luggage space. A portable handheld steamer quickly smooths clothing that becomes wrinkled or creased inside a packed suitcase. The compact design freshens outfits without relying on a hotel iron or spending extra time folding everything perfectly. A 4-in-1 toiletry dispenser carries several favorite products in one compact container instead of multiple loose bottles. The rotating pump provides easy access, while the protective shell adds reassurance against leaks. These next finds help manage medications, worn clothing, bulky items, and the mental load of remembering everything that needs to come along. A waterproof 14-day pill organizer separates up to 2 weeks of medications into individual daily pouches. The crush-resistant outer case adds protection while remaining compact enough for a suitcase or carry-on. A washable drawstring laundry bag gives worn clothing a designated place so it stays separate from clean outfits. The roomy bag folds down when empty and can go into the wash after returning home. Travel vacuum bags compress sweaters, jackets, and other bulky clothing to create more room in the suitcase. The included hand pump works anywhere, making the bags just as useful when repacking for home. A ready-made packing checklist reduces the mental load of remembering clothing, toiletries, documents, electronics, and other necessities. Checking off each item can make preparing feel faster and far less overwhelming. Finally, these travel day helpers combine organized carry-on storage, easier charging, and a convenient place to dry clothing away from home. A carry-on travel backpack organizes clothing, shoes, electronics, and personal items in one bag. The wide suitcase-style opening simplifies packing, while the separate shoe compartment keeps dirty soles away from clothing. A multiport USB adapter charges several devices from one wall outlet instead of requiring a separate block for each one. It reduces travel bag clutter while keeping phones, tablets, watches, and other electronics powered. A retractable travel clothesline creates a convenient drying area for swimsuits, hand-washed clothing, and damp garments. It stores in a compact case, and the built-in clips eliminate the need to pack separate clothespins. If you'd like a closer look at any of these helpful packing finds, the complete collection is linked in the description. You'll find more details and easy links to everything shown. Thanks for watching Pamela's Best Finds, and subscribe for more helpful finds for home, travel, gift giving, and everyday life.